Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to remove default clothes in your Roblox avatar. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, just log into roblox.com in your web browser. And then once done, in the left panel here we have Profile. So just click on Profile, and in here, this section, just click on Edit Avatar. Okay, and then once done, you could go ahead over to Recent, or let's say Body or Clothing right here. Let's say you have the default tops. Okay, so what you do basically, if this one is the default tops, is just press on what? The check mark. Okay, so tick on the check mark or uncheck it, and then once that's done, the default clothing should now be gone. All right. Another option, here we have outerwear, or maybe bottoms. If your default skin is equipped, just uncheck it. Okay, there you have it. That's how simple it is to remove default clothes in Roblox. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.